the length of a rectangular garden is 20 yards more than the width. The perimeter is 240 yards. Find the length and width. Okay. So it's important that you draw a picture. It's rectangular, and I guess you call this the width, and that is length. Usually length means it's longer. So maybe it's more like this. Yeah, because actually length is longer than the width. So I like this picture better. And if you have width as W, L as the length, then this side is also L, and that's also W. So the perimeter is W plus L plus W plus L, going around like this, right? W plus L plus W plus L, that's the perimeter. But it also says that the length is 20 yards more than width. So L is 20 plus W. Now, indeed, it's a little confusing whether L is 20 plus W or W is 20 plus L. That's why drawing it better it helps, because drawing it this way, you remember that L should be bigger than W, so it should be L equals to 20 plus W, not the other way around. And so if you have this, then instead of all the L's that you see on the top, you can say it's W plus 20 plus W, because L is 20 plus W. You can substitute L by 20 plus W. And then I count 1, 2, 3, 4 W's, and 20 plus 20, which is 40. And that should equal to 240, because that's the perimeter. It's given that the perimeter is 240, right? So subtract 40 both sides. So that gives you 4W equals to 200, which means W is equal to 50. 200 divided by 4 is 50. And because length is 20 plus the width, don't stop here. Look at the question. It's asking for both length and width. So now it's 20 plus 50, which is 70. And when you write the answer in a word problem, you have to be careful, because you need units. So width is 50 yards, and length is 70 yards. Okay, so that's our answer.